Okay, let's talk knobs. Let's talk P32 manufacturing knobs. This is excellent. Right now I'm doing this inside HJ47 that's been fully restored, and the one thing that lets this car down is its knob. If I hold this fan pulled up next to the original one, there is a big difference. Such a beautiful dash, and it doesn't have the quality of restored knob. So if you are missing a knob, if your knob's just tired and scratched and worn out, we now have some answers thanks to the guys at P32 manufacturing. This is fantastic. So with these, let me tell you, they're engineered seamlessly to replace the OEM tired old knobs. They have an M5 thread and an M4 locking little grub screw in there, so they're actually designed just to plug in and replace. There's no aftermarket fitting required or anything like that. They're a direct replacement. High quality materials and 2K clear coated for long lasting finishes, so it's not just going to wear off in the sun. These are recreated to match the original authentics, adding a touch of authenticity to your Land Cruiser's interior. These knobs are dimensionally correct and they don't look like an imported product. These are Australian made, by the way. Installation, as I said, is simple. Spend less time installing and mucking around with your car. Grub screw open, put them in place, job done. Now jump on our website now. These are just the start of it. Mr. Land Cruiser are going to have a wide variety of P32 manufacturing products on our website really soon, but if you want to do the job, do it properly, MrLandcruiser.com.